Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best pool loungers is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of outdoor furniture, especially as the warmer months approach, promising ultimate relaxation and enjoyment by the water. Imagine sinking into a perfectly angled seat, soaking up the sun's rays with a refreshing drink in hand, or simply enjoying a good book without a care in the world. These aren't just chairs, they are your personal oasis, designed to elevate your poolside experience from ordinary to extraordinary, offering unparalleled comfort and style that transforms your backyard into a vacation destination. Number 5. Intex Inflatable Lounge Pool Recliner. Relax all day and catch some rays with this comfortable pool and lake lounge. It's designed to support one adult up to 220 pounds, making it perfect for a sunny afternoon. Enjoy ultimate comfort with its contoured backrest and armrests, designed for extended lounging. You can easily relax for hours on end. Built with durable PVC, this lounger is made to last and resists the effects of the sun. It even comes with a repair patch for any unexpected issues. Its dual air chambers ensure it stays inflated while you're out on the water. Plus, heavy-duty handles make it easy to carry to and from the water. Keep your favorite beverage or essentials close by with convenient cup holders on either side. Everything you need is within reach. What we like? This one is all about ultimate relaxation on the water. It features built-in cup holders so your drink is always within reach. If you're looking for a float that offers supreme comfort and convenience while lounging in the pool or lake, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The backrest and armrests make it feel like a recliner on water, and it keeps you just above the surface, cool but dry. It is very well constructed and never needs air. This is my second year using it. The built-in cup holder is a great touch and keeps drinks secure. Number 4. Best Choice Product Set of 2 Outdoor Patio Chaise Lounge Chair, Black. Experience ultimate relaxation with these outdoor loungers. They offer multiple back and footrest positions, ensuring your comfort. Forget the hassle of assembly. These chairs are ready to use right out of the box, making relaxation effortless. Enjoy lasting quality with a durable steel frame and UV-resistant fabric. They are designed to support up to 250 pounds. Their lightweight, foldable design makes them incredibly easy to store and transport. Take them anywhere your adventures lead. These versatile chairs are ideal for your patio, poolside, or backyard. Enjoy comfort wherever you choose to relax. What we like? This set is perfect for immediate relaxation and easy transport. With multiple adjustable positions for both the back and footrest, you can find your perfect comfort level instantly. If you value convenience and the ability to set up and pack away quickly for various outdoor settings, this set is ideal. What people say. I love that a quick lift of the handles allows the back to go up and down, so you can lay if you want to. They're much sturdier than I'd anticipated also. I was expecting more like folding deck chair quality, thin frames, but no, these are beefy and strong. The chairs are plastic, which makes them easy to fold, store, and carry when not in use. They're also durable enough to leave out without blowing away. Number 3. Ostrich, the original 3-in-1 beach chair. Experience ultimate comfort with its patented open close face cavity and arm slots. The breathable, quick-dry mesh fabric keeps you cool even on the hottest days. Find your perfect relaxation spot with 5 chair positions and 3 footrest positions. You can easily adjust it to achieve the peak comfort you desire. Sitting 12 inches off the ground makes getting in and out a breeze. Plus, the extra high back offers great support, making it perfect for any outdoor setting. This chair is built for durability with its lightweight aluminum frame. It's designed to last for a long time and can support up to 275 pounds. Weighing only 11 pounds, it's incredibly portable thanks to the included carry strap. The wooden armrest even has a handle and a cup holder for convenience. What we like? This chair offers an innovative solution for tanning and lounging. The patented face cavity allows for comfortable face-down relaxation, which is a unique differentiator. If you're someone who loves to sunbathe or read while lying on your stomach, this chair is designed specifically for your comfort. What people say. Very comfortable and easy to fold up. The 3-in-1 features were great in comparison to a regular chair. Easy to carry with the strap, lightweight and comfortable for this Florida gal. Number 2. Crestlive Products Outdoor Lounge Chair Set of 2. Experience unparalleled comfort with our uniquely curved lounge chairs. Designed to support your body's natural shape, they offer an ergonomic and relaxing outdoor lounging experience. Constructed with a durable, powder-coated metal frame, these chairs are built to withstand the elements and resist rust. They provide robust support, holding up to 350 pounds for worry-free relaxation. The breathable textile fabric is UV-resistant, waterproof, and quick-drying, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance. Simply wipe them down to keep them looking great. Find your perfect position with 5 adjustable reclining settings. Whether you're reading, sunbathing, or just relaxing, customize your comfort with ease. These chairs feature a reinforced structure for sturdy support and come with simple instructions for quick assembly. You'll be relaxing in no time. Rest assured with our 1-year after-sales service and prompt 24-hour support. We're here to provide excellent customer service for your peace of mind. What we like. This set provides exceptional comfort and durability for long-term outdoor use. Its ergonomically curved design ensures a comfortable lounging experience, and the rust-free frame means it will last. If you need sturdy, comfortable, and weather-resistant loungers for your patio or poolside that can support a high weight capacity, this set is a great investment. What people say. The frame is sturdy, assembly is super easy. And it actually looks quite nice. The chairs took very little effort to assemble and look great. The lines are clean and look sleek. These chairs are lightweight, but feel and look solidly made. Very easy to assemble. Came within days of ordering and they look great by our pool. Very sturdy and comfortable to sit or recline. Number 1. Best Choice Products Light Blue Folding Chaise Lounge. Carrying this lounger is a breeze. It folds neatly with convenient handles, making it easy to take anywhere you go. Find your ideal relaxation spot with 8 adjustable lounging positions. Simply lock the backrest and footrest to your preferred setting. Crafted with textile fabric and a sturdy steel frame, this chair is built to withstand the elements. Enjoy long-lasting quality with its oxidation and weather-resistant features. No assembly needed. This lounger unfolds and folds with ease, ready for immediate use. Store it away compactly when not in use. Its classic design complements any outdoor space, from your backyard to the beach or campsite. Enjoy comfort wherever you choose to unwind. Designed with a robust frame and non-slip feet, it offers stable support. It can hold up to 300 pounds, ensuring a secure and comfortable experience. What we like. This lounger is designed for maximum versatility and portability. With 8 different lounging positions, you can customize your comfort for any activity, from reading to napping. If you need a chair that's easy to move around, offers a wide range of reclining options, and can comfortably support a heavier load, this is an excellent pick for your backyard, beach, or camping trips. What people say. Very sturdy and high quality. The material is thick and the bungees that hold it on are tight. It's nice and wide and lays flat. Good thing is that it locks and is not going to accidentally change positions. They are stable and comfortable for different body weight. They are a great size and easily fold up to save space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.